The name Toyota Century may not ring bells for the everyday driver in the US, but in Japan and among global luxury elites, it's a name that commands the same reverence as Rolls-Royce or Bentley. In 2026, Toyota is redefining its flagship once again with the all-new Toyota Century, delivering a modernized masterpiece of understated opulence, elevated comfort, and cutting-edge hybrid performance. Asterisk, this isn't a car for those who want to show off. This is a car for those who have nothing left to prove. Asterisk from the outside. The 2026 Century remains true to its roots, elegant, refined, and dignified in presence. But this generation receives bold updates that signal quiet confidence. The front grille has been widened and deepened, carved with intricate latticework and finished in a hand-polished dark chrome. Flanking it are ultra-slim adaptive LED headlamps with laser precision and an understated signature leitmotif that glows with sophistication. Asterisk, the long hood, upright proportions, and extended rear overhang continue the stately silhouette, while new 20-inch aero-optimized wheels and flush-mounted door handles add a modern edge. It's a blend of timeless formality and subtle modernity. Asterisk, the Century is now available in two body styles: the classic sedan and the all-new Century SUV, aimed at chauffeur-driven luxury with expanded interior flexibility. Both ride on Toyota's advanced TNGAL platform, tuned specifically for maximum ride isolation and body rigidity. Asterisk, under the hood, the 2026 Century gets a major mechanical transformation. Asterisk, gone is the old V8. In its place is a smooth and whisper 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system, delivering a combined output of 425 horsepower, mated to an ECVT transmission and a rear-biased all-wheel drive layout. This setup provides seamless acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency, rated at 38 mpg combined and up to 42 miles of electric-only driving range. Asterisk, more importantly, the powertrain is designed for silence and serenity. Extensive sound insulation, acoustic glass, and active noise cancellation work in unison to deliver one of the quietest cabins in the world, even at highway speeds. Asterisk, speaking of the cabins, is where the Century earns its name. Asterisk, open the rear-hinged rear doors and step into a sanctuary of handcrafted excellence. Every surface is wrapped in the finest natural materials: full-grain leather, sustainably sourced wood trim, and traditional Japanese fabrics, carefully curated for tactile warmth. Asterisk, rear seats are fully power adjustable and feature ottomans, integrated massage functions, climate zones, and memory profiles. Between them sits a fold-out console with an embedded tablet interface, refrigerator drawer, and retractable tables for executive work or dining on the go. Asterisk, ambient lighting adjusts based on time of day or passenger preference, while a fragrance diffusion system tailored to personal scent profiles adds an extra layer of sensory luxury. Rear seat entertainment includes twin 14-inch 4K displays with streaming, screen mirroring, and audio zoned through a 28-speaker Mark Levinson surround system that delivers near-concert acoustics. Asterisk, the front cabin is equally impressive. The dashboard is a clean fusion of digital and analog, featuring a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, a central 14.1-inch touchscreen, and physical rotary dials for core climate and drive settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates all come standard. Asterisk, Toyota has also prioritized advanced driver assistance with its Toyota Safety Sense Elite Suite, which includes asterisk, predictive active cruise control with AI learning, asterisk, lane tracing assist with edge detection, autonomous valet parking, adaptive LED headlights with pedestrian spotlighting, driver monitoring via infrared sensors, and facial recognition, automatic emergency braking with cross-junction detection, asterisk, in the new SUV variant. Ride comfort is enhanced with air suspension and rear-wheel steering for a smoother, more agile urban driving experience. An electrochromic panoramic roof, split rear tailgate, and adjustable step-in height elevate the Century's utility without compromising elegance. Asterisk, for those lucky enough to sit behind the wheel, the 2026 Century delivers a driving experience that's smooth, composed, and deeply refined. It's not meant to be a track star. It's meant to remind you that speed is meaningless if you're not comfortable getting there. Asterisk, production of the 2026 Toyota Century remains limited and exclusive, with each model built to exacting standards in a special facility near Toyota City, Japan. Buyers can choose from a curated palette of deep hand-painted exterior finishes, with personalization options through Toyota's Century Custom program, including monogrammed seat embroidery and custom wheel designs. Asterisk pricing starts at an estimated $195,000 United States dollars equivalent, though availability outside Japan remains extremely limited. For those who know, it's not about price, it's about prestige, discretion, and purity of experience. Asterisk, the 2026 Toyota Century is more than a luxury car. It's a moving monument to craftsmanship, tradition, and innovation. And in a world of loud statements, it's the quiet ones that resonate the longest.